So thank you for joining me. My name's Martin Whittington. I'm a senior DevOps engineer at Fresco, and I'm going to talk to you today about online trials and what I do in DevOps. What are they? So they are single instances of our Fresco content services, including governance services, which live in AWS for around 14 days, that you guys can get by filling in the form on the main site. Once the period is expired, you guys are typically contacted by marketing or sales to understand how the experience was. And online trials really are an essential part of our business. So behind the scenes marketing, we use a tool called Marketo, which we hook into using their APIs, which keeps track of all the leads, just so we can see what's going on with our customers and all the details, etc. So I got involved with online trials. It was just another day at the office. I was working on another project, and in my Slack channel, more errors came up. Oh, this is all going wrong. So we decided to do some fixes. Plenty of issues. The current system was just a prototype. It ticked some boxes, received some maintenance, but it needed some major work to be reliable. But with anything that's untested, it went out to production anyway. So my boss approached me and said, we need to replace the current system. Can you come up with an idea, a design? This problem needs to be solved now. So yeah, the opportunity was just far too good to pass up. So I reviewed what we have currently. We have a mix of two separate systems working together, one designed by IT, one by DevOps. And the DevOps one is a web portal that allows creation of environments in AWS. The IT system is just simply a collection of state machines written in Python that make decisions on how many instances to build, who receives them, how to notify their customers, and all data is stored in their database. The most appropriate action to take next was to borrow the successes from the current systems, and there are some, remove the pain points, of which there are plenty, move closer to what we are trying to achieve, which is a seamless trial experience for our customers. Now, since the implementation of our deployment system, AWS has released a plethora of functionality that has rendered our systems obsolete. So everything we need can be achieved by the services and features they provide. So it's time to go all in. I started looking at AWS and the resources they offer, solutions like CloudFormation, Lambda, SNS, SQS, Dynamo, OpsWorks. Did my research and realized these were just the weapons of choice. I wanted this new system to be as hassle-free as possible. No more manual management of servers, no more accidental shutdowns of instances, no more bespoke tools to abstract skill away from AWS. We needed peace of mind. So when I talk about hassle-free, what do I mean? One constraint we have is that we are unable to patch hundreds of running instances in an automated way. With OpsWorks, we can patch any number of instances within minutes by running chef recipes we have written. I took some time to evaluate our current expenditure on the combined systems cost. With what we have running today, the monthly AWS bill is around $200. By switching to a serverless system, the cost will be between $5 to $10 per month. We're using a pre-baked AMI that is deployed to all trial instances. The AMI is built and tested before being shipped. This delivers consistency to all our customers. With Chef and CloudFormation, we can guarantee that the configuration has worked as expected. So how close are we to completion? So we're currently in a testing phase. The infrastructure and code has been completed, and now we're putting the system through its paces and fixing any bugs we find. So we're in a constant review of the infrastructure and the choices we've made. So how are we delivering this? We use Bamboo to action a pipeline that builds and deletes the control infrastructure. If successful, this then performs a rolling update to our trial systems, our live systems. We also use Bamboo to build our trial AMIs. So what's next? So the theme of version 2 is centered on intelligence and automation. There's still a handful of steps we need to automate away. Also, we want the system to tell us if there's any problems and what it thinks it should do to address them and learn and adapt. Next, we're going to develop our own Alexa skills so that anybody from any department can ask Alexa some really interesting questions. So things like, how many trials are there? What's the average number of requests per day? DevOps are here to make trials great again. No more manual steps, no more hacky scripts, no more emails to the executives explaining what's gone wrong. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, everyone.